Alright, we just got out here on the river. Sam decided to make his own road and he got stuck. Didn't make it too far. Hey guys, welcome back to KILLZONE Outdoors. I'm out here with my buddy Sam. We're on the St. Croix and we're going to be going for some sturgeon today. And what I got here for an auger is a StrikeMaster Lithium 40 volt. You know, after years of having a really bad auger, you know, it just wouldn't drill holes very well, I finally broke down and bought one of the best. So this is going to be the first hole drilled with it. So let's give it a go. Alright, thing cuts really good.
Yup.
Oh, fish on.
Just take your time. It's gonna run when you get it up closer. Are you serious? No.
Mud puppy.
No.
Look at this thing, dude. Oh my god. God, that thing's ugly.
That rod really bad.
Oh man. Oh. Look at that. He didn't even eat it. He's just, look at it, he's strangling himself. Alright, that's the first thing we got for the night. Not what we want. This thing's real slimy and gross. I gotta take a picture of that.
Carl likes it like that.
Oh, I can't take it right now. There he goes. What's up guys? Welcome back to KILLZONE Outdoors. I'm out here with my buddy Jordan and we're going to be doing some pan fishing. You know, it's after the season, so that's all we can target right now. But here we got two different augers. I've got the StrikeMaster Lithium 40 volt. He's got the Ion X. And we're gonna do a little test. We'll see which one cuts quicker, you know, how smooth it cuts and stuff like that. So we're gonna drill two holes and let's get to it. Ready, go. Oh, he's fucking hole ahead of me.
There you go, Debbie.
There we go.
Come out.
As I'm sure you could tell, the ice is really thick out here. I bottomed out and, you know, went right up to the head of my auger. He's got an extension on his, so it didn't get as close to the head of the auger, but the StrikeMaster outdid the Ion by quite a bit.
Definitely a whole hole.
All right, let's get to fishing. Alright guys, well unfortunately we didn't catch any sturgeon tonight. You know, I had that one mud puppy. Sam had another one on and it got off right at the edge of the hole. But you know, we were marking fish the whole night. You know, we were seeing them right at the bottom and then just eventually they would just move away and they never bit our lines. But on another note, you know, I did get out there. We were able to try out my brand new auger and I'm surprised how well that thing cut. You know, I'd watched a lot of videos, a lot of reviews, saying how good it cut and all that stuff, but to try it out for yourself and just to really see how good it does, it's pretty cool. You know, I'm used to an old crappy auger that, you know, took forever to get it started. You have to pull, you know, 20 times to get it going. And it just didn't cut very good. You know, it took forever to drill a single hole. So stepping up to a battery operated one like that, that's crazy. And then as you saw, a couple days later, I went out with my buddy Jordan and we did a little test, INX versus StrikeMaster Lithium 40 volt. And there's so much ice out there now. We were drilling through about 30 inches of ice. But it's safe to say the StrikeMaster outdid the INX by quite a bit. I was done with my 2 holes and he was just finishing his 1. They are both really good augers and they're top of the line. But just the StrikeMaster, is just a little bit above. And, that's kind of what I was seeing in the reviews, that the StrikeMaster cut faster and stuff like that. And that's ultimately what led me to buy it. But yeah, overall, I'm really excited about getting the new auger. I can't wait to start using it next year. And on another note, guys, this probably will be my last time out ice fishing for the 2018-2019 season. It was a good run. I caught a lot of fish. I had a lot of good times, but it's just getting too hard to get out there. Here in Minnesota, we've got 2.5, 3 feet of snow, and out on the lake, it can be even more with some of the drifts and stuff. And, if there are any, there's, maybe a couple plowed roads out there, but, you're looking at maybe a truck wide. So it's really hard to get out there. And on top of that, we've got about 30 inches of ice. So it's hard for really any auger unless you have an extension. So it's hard to get out there and actually target those fish. So, I might get out late ice once some of the snow melts and it's easier to get out. But, until then, I don't know. I probably won't get out again. But I'm already looking forward to next ice fishing season. But yeah, so enjoy this little blooper. It's from a couple weeks ago. I didn't catch a whole lot of fish. I was out with Dave and Justin. But yeah, check it out.
Got him. Oh, he popped off. No!
And if you guys liked what you saw, click down here to subscribe, or click over here to watch the last video. Thanks for watching, guys.